easy clipper removal for the old one. I couldn't find any videos. Everyone else was doing it like the way that you'd probably damage the shit. But you wanna pop this thing off. I mean, it gives it easier access, which would be this. You pinch, push out. This one, this one, this one, this one, and then this Torx. Torx 25. These are handy. You can actually get the bit in there. Automotive stores sell them. I think they're new, maybe, but this is actually really handy. Once it's off, probably want a little bit of heat on it. It's hot as shit out here in Arizona. I just, on the teeth on the other side, these teeth, I used something flat. So put the thing on something soft. Push down. It'll eventually start peeling on the other side. Then you want to use like some kind of plastic remover. And when you're on the other side, just jam in there, start going around. Eventually it'll come off. And then I already did them, but so the new one may or may not have this. You probably do want to apply a little bit of 3M tape. I did right there, there, and there. The ones I ordered were a little long on here. I'm assuming they're Chinese shits, but whatever. So I pushed it in, clipped off just a tiny bit. At least with mine, I had to do that. Yeah, smashed it in pretty good, gave it some weight just so that the adhesive would stick. Yeah, then you just pop them back in, pop the Torx back in. Good to go. Get rid of these ugly boys. Yeah, these are disgusting.